Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Team Amorchan here, and in this video we are gonna show you a little bit of our trip to province of Morocco, which is called Chefchaouen, one of the most visited place here in the Morocco. So to go to that place from Casablanca, you have to take a high-speed train which is just for 2 hours, and from Casablanca to Tangier, and then from there, once you arrive to the train station, you have to take a taxi. So there are lots of taxi there who can drive you to Chefchaouen, the name of the place. So that place is the famous place because of its blue colored city. So the taxi took us like around 2.5 hours of trip, and we arrived to the famous city of Chefchaouen, or the Blue Pearl of Morocco. So here we are guys, you're going to start our tour. So on our way you will see already a lot of sellers selling souvenirs. So there are lots of kind of souvenirs that you can buy, so don't be in hurry. My advice is don't be in hurry, because you will see a lot of them there on your way. So you have a lot of choices, so just look around first, and then once you are decided and find what you like, that's the time you will buy. So let's go guys. So here guys, I'm gonna tell you a little story that our guide told us, that as you can see there are two kind of doorbells here. So the first one is for the stranger who ring the door, and the second one is for a family member. So the owner of the house will know if it's a stranger or a family member who is ringing the door. So that's interesting, right? But he said that nowadays we are not doing that anymore, but that was in old time, a long time ago. And also, did you know that the Blue City story started from the World War time? So there were a group of Jews who escaped the war and came into the town of Chefchaouen, and then they decided to paint the town into blue. So the blue for them represent a peace, so they decided to paint it into blue to represent peace, so for them to be not to be attacked or to live in peace. And then latterly after that, it's like everyone decided to paint the town into blue as a peace, represent as a peace symbol. So that is a little bit story of the Blue City, and I hope you like it. video today. Thank you so much for watching and always for following us, and we hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you again in our next video. Bye.